Hi everyone, I'm Mark and today I'm excited to introduce Aquarium Filtra Fluff to you, which is a revolutionary filter material for aquariums. Unlike standard filters that capture particles down to 10 microns, Aquarium Filtra Fluff captures particles as small as 3 microns. That's 3 times more effective. That is because the mesh of these balls is much smaller than traditional filter material like filter floss or filter mats. I've been using it for months now, and for me the results are amazing. My water is crystal clear and my fish are thriving. Others who tested it in the early stages were just as thrilled. They've told me they see big improvements in their aquariums too. So, if you're serious about aquarium care, try Aquarium Filtra Fluff. It's a small change with a huge impact. It's for sale now on Amazon, Ball and ALLEGRO. So check out Aquarium Filtra Fluff and let me know your results. Thanks for watching.